In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate TikTok and its shopping feature, TikTok Shop, so you can effortlessly browse and buy the products you love. Whether you're new to online shopping or just want to master TikTok's marketplace, we'll break down the entire process step by step, making it as simple and efficient as possible. Let's get started by launching the TikTok app on your device. This is your gateway to endless entertainment, but today we're focusing on its shop. Once you're in the app, you'll notice a shopping bag icon or perhaps some product links popping up as you scroll through your feed. Clicking on these will take you directly to TikTok Shop, where you can explore a variety of products. Now that you're in TikTok Shop, it's time to browse. Perhaps you're looking for the latest fashion trends, some cool tech gadgets, or even nifty home decor items. Whatever you're after, take your time to explore the wealth of options available. When you find something you like, you'll see options like buy now if you're ready to snag it immediately, or add to cart if you're eyeing multiple items and want to continue shopping. So you've added those must-have items to your cart, and now you're ready to proceed to checkout. If you put multiple items in your cart, you'll want to click on the cart icon to review your selections. If it's a single item you're excited about, the buy now button will directly lead you to checkout. As you prepare to purchase, take a moment to carefully review your order details. Double check that the products, their quantities, and the total price are all aligned with your intentions to avoid any last-minute surprises. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to move on to choosing your payment method. Tap on the payment method option. For this example, let's choose a debit card as our preferred payment method. You'll need to enter your card details here, which includes the card number, its expiry date, and the CVV code found on the back of your card. Additionally, you may be prompted to add your billing address if it hasn't been saved already. Be sure to enter this information accurately to ensure a smooth purchase process. Finally, you're at the last step, confirming your payment. Tap on Pay or Confirm Payment to complete your purchase. Once all your information is securely processed, you'll receive a confirmation of your order, and just like that, you've successfully navigated and purchased from TikTok Shop. Thanks for joining me today as we explored the TikTok shopping experience. With these steps in mind, you're now ready to enjoy the convenience that TikTok Shop has to offer. Until next time, happy shopping and stay curious.